Hello everyone, welcome back to CADD Nest. In this video, we are going to see how to use text mask command in AutoCAD. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe our CADD Nest YouTube channel. So let us go to AutoCAD. And what is text mask? Text mask is basically a feature used to make a text more visible. That is, under this example, the first example, you can see the readability of text is very simple and you can read it properly. But under this crowded background or as a hatching background, you can see the readability of text is very difficult. In order to make this more readable, the text mask command is used. So let us see how to use it. Just you need to type mask from your keyboard. The first thing you are to be getting is the text mask. So just go for text mask, and here the mask type I'll be selecting it as wipeout, and I'll be selecting a text over here. Hit a enter key, and now you can see the readability of a text increases even with the crowded background. So this is how we'll be using a text mask command in order to increase the readability of text with a crowded background. And let us see two more tools under text mask itself. I'll be doing undo. Just go for mask. Second type of mask is it's of 3D face. Under 3D face there will be no much changes. The text will be converted into a bold type. That's it. Go for 3D face. Select the text. Hit a enter. So you can see the text type will be converted into a bold one. So this is how we'll be using second type of text mask. Then the last type is solid. So let us see how to use solid. So under solid, the background will be filled with a selected color. You can say I'll be selecting a red color over here. Okay, and select a text. Hit the enter key. Then you can see our background of a text will be filled with the color I choose. So this is above text mask command. It is used to increase the readability of text. So for more updates, keep watching CADD Nest YouTube channel. So this is all for now. Let's meet in our next video. Thank you.